Hello, my name is TJ. What is your name?
My name is Ima.
Can you spell it for me, please?
Yes, EMA. Ima.
And where do you come from?
I come from.
Okay, and what's your name?
My name is Ratri.
Can you spell it for me, please?
Yes, RATRI.
Thank you. And where do you come from?
I come from.
Okay, now in this first part, I would like to ask you some questions about yourself. Okay, so Ima, do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books. Particularly, I like reading books on a long journey.
So what books do you like to take on a long journey?
I would take short story books on a long journey.
So how easy is it for you to read books in English?
It is quite easy for me to read books in English.
Okay, so Ratri, do you like reading newspapers?
Yes, I do. I read newspaper in the morning.
Okay, so do many people in your city like to read newspapers?
Yes, many people read newspaper in our city.
Okay, so Ima, do you like outdoor activities?
Yes, I do. I like outdoor activities, mostly in cool weather.
So what type of outdoor activities are popular in your country?
Eating out, shopping are popular in our country.
Okay, so do you like outdoor activities, Ratri?
Yes, I like outdoor activities.
Okay, so how much time do you spend outdoor every week?
I spend around 20 hours outdoors every week.
Okay, thank you. Now in this part, you are going to ask each other some questions. Ima, you are going to ask Ratri about the food she eats for breakfast. Ratri, you are going to ask Ima about how she travels every day. Now think about the questions you want to ask. You have 1.5 minutes. You can make notes if you want to. If there is anything you don't understand, please ask me. Okay, thank you. Emma, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Please ask your questions now.
What food do you like to eat for breakfast?
I like to drink tea with bread for breakfast.
How often do you like to drink tea with bread for breakfast?
I drink tea with bread for breakfast every day.
What other food do you like to eat for breakfast?
I like to eat fruits such as apples.
How often do you eat fruits for breakfast?
I eat fruits 3 or 4 days a week.
Do you like drinking coffee for breakfast in the morning?
Yes, sometimes, but I prefer coffee.
Do you like have a heavy meal or like snacks for breakfast?
I like to have light snacks for breakfast.
What time in the morning do you have breakfast?
I like to have breakfast at 8 in the morning.
Do you think your breakfast is healthy?
Yes, I think that my breakfast is healthy.
What food do you think is the most healthy for breakfast?
I think fruits are most healthy for breakfast in the morning.
Okay, thank you. So Ratri, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Please ask your questions now.
How do you travel every day?
I travel by car every day.
How often do you travel by car?
I travel by car quite often.
How long do you travel by car?
I travel by car for 2 hours.
How comfortable traveling is by car is?
It is quite comfortable.
Do you like sitting on the front or back seat in the car when you travel?
I like sitting on the front seat.
Do you travel by any other transport?
Yes, I travel by bus sometimes.
What do you like traveling by bus?
Well, traveling by bus is cheap. This is what I like traveling by bus.
Do you travel by bus for long or short journey?
I travel by bus for long journey.
Why do you like traveling by bus for long journey?
I like traveling by bus for long journey because it saves my money.
Thank you. Now in this part of the test, you are going to listen to 2 recordings and answer some questions. You hear 2 recorded phone messages. Where is each message from? A doctor's, a sports center's, or a hairdresser's? Now listen to the recording.
Recording 1. This is the Park Road Health Centre. Sorry, but the centre is now closed until Monday. We open again at 8:30 a.m. You can call us back then. We're sorry, but we don't have surgeries at the weekend. To see a doctor on Saturday or Sunday, please phone the hospital. Look on our website to find the contact number. Recording 2.
Sorry, but we are now closed. We're open every day from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. For further information about our classes, including our new swimming classes for mothers and babies, please visit our website. To find out about our special prices on Mondays, call when we're open and ask to speak to Jason. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So Emma, in the first recording, where is each message from? A doctor's, a sports center's, or a hairdresser's?
A doctor's.
Thank you. In the second recording, Ratri, where is each message from? A doctor's, a sports center's, or a hairdresser's?
Sports center.
Thank you. Now you are going to listen to the recordings again and answer these questions. So Ratri, in the first recording, what time does the health center open on Monday? And what can you do to see a doctor at the weekend? So Emma, in the second recording, who are the new swimming classes for? And what day can you save money? Now listen to the recordings again.
Recording 1. This is the Park Road Health Centre. Sorry, but the centre is now closed until Monday. We open again at 8:30 a.m. You can call us back then. We're sorry, but we don't have surgeries at the weekend. To see a doctor on Saturday or Sunday, please phone the hospital. Look on our website to find the contact number. Recording 2.
Sorry, but we are now closed. We're open every day from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. For further information about our classes, including our new swimming classes for mothers and babies, please visit our website. To find out about our special prices on Mondays, call when we're open and ask to speak to Jason. Thank you.
So in the first recording, Ratri, what time does the health center open on Monday?
8:30.
And what can you do to see a doctor at the weekend?
From the hospital.
Okay. In the second recording, Emma, who are the new swimming classes for?
Mothers and babies.
And what day can you save money?
Monday.
Now in this part, you are going to talk together about the places you like to meet your friends. So talk together about the places where you like to meet your friends.
I like meeting friends at the weekend and I often meet them at restaurant. Where often do you meet your friends?
I meet them in the park. We like visiting park together. What do you do at restaurant with your friend?
We like hanging out and eating different food together. Do you enjoy visiting park with your friends?
Yes, I do. Sometimes we meet at cinema and watch new films. Do you like meeting your friends at cinema?
Yes, sometimes. But I like meeting my friends at new places. Do you like meeting your friends at new places?
Yes, of course. It's fun and enjoyable to meet friends at a new place. Do you like meeting friends at a cafe?
Yes, I like meeting my friends at a cafe. We like chatting and drinking at a cafe.
It's fun to get together with friends. We can do a lot of enjoyable things together.
I agree. I usually meet my friends when I get free time. When do you like to meet your friends in different places?
I like meeting my friends at different places at the weekend.
Thank you. That's the end of the test.